Every OEM is shipping grade control from the factory now. But if your fleet is mixed iron, nobody at the dealer mentioned what that actually cost you in the field. Here is the problem. Factory installed systems are brand locked. The display, the correction source, the data pipeline, all of it sits inside one manufacturer's ecosystem. That works fine if every machine on your pad carries the same badge. Most contracting outfits I walk into are not running that. They have a cat dozer moving the pad, a Komatsu excavator cutting the pond, and a Deere motor grader chasing grade on the shoulder. 3 separate interfaces, 3 correction setups, 3 different ways your surveyor's surface file gets loaded, or does not get loaded, on each machine. I have seen crews spend half a morning just getting a revised land XML file onto one of those machines because the OEM's data workflow does not talk the same language as the one sitting 20 feet away. That is not a technology problem. That is a lock-in problem. This is where a machine-agnostic aftermarket kit earns its place. GradeMetrix running an Iron 2 display on your cat dozer and an Iron 2 on your Komatsu excavator means the same interface, the same surface file workflow, the same correction setup, regardless of what name is on the cab door. Your surveyor loads the land XML once. Every machine on that pad reads it the same way. Open architecture is not a compromise. It is the feature. No OEM dictates your data format, your correction source, or your next equipment purchase. Leica's own people said publicly at a roundtable this past May that the vast majority of customers are running mixed fleets. The OEMs know it, they just have no incentive to solve it for you. Aftermarket does. What does your fleet look like right now? Single brand or mixed iron? Drop it in the comments. I read each one.